In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Notion. Duplicating a page is perfect for reusing layouts, saving time, and creating your own templates without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the process and share a few quick pointers. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. On the home page, click Login and sign in the same way you normally do. After you're in, go to your preferred workspace. If you belong to more than one, use the workspace switcher in the sidebar or top left and pick the place where the original page lives. Next, locate the page you want to duplicate. You can scroll through the sidebar or use the search bar if you have a lot of content. Once you've found it, open the page so you're looking at it directly or hover over its name in the sidebar. Now, look for the three-dot icon, also called the page menu. You'll see it at the top right of the page. And there's also a quick menu next to the page name in the sidebar. Click that three-dot icon to open the page options. From the menu, click Duplicate. That's it. Notion instantly creates a copy for you. The duplicated page appears immediately, usually right below the original in your sidebar or in the same section where the original lives. It's a separate page with the same content. At this point, I recommend renaming the copy to keep things organized. Click the title at the top and give it a clear name like Weekly Planning Template or Client Onboarding Copy. If you want to store it elsewhere, simply drag it to another spot in the sidebar or move it into a different page. For database pages, the same duplicate action will copy the structure and the entries on that page. If you only want a blank template, delete records you don't need after duplicating. Quick recap, go to notion.com, click Login, open your workspace, find the page, click the three-dot icon and choose Duplicate. The copy appears right away, ready for you to rename, move, and customize. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.